initiative and start this series with our alumni. So, namaste and greetings to our beloved Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, my dear colleagues, and all of our alumni. I feel deeply honored as well as nostalgic at getting this privilege of interacting with you all today. It's been so many years, and I still remember the faces of our students who are the alumni. They are so fresh in our minds, children. I'm sure this is the same with all the other teachers and the staff. A very warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful Back to Roots session. Now, coming to our guest of this evening, she has a strong sense of responsibility, not only towards her family members, but also towards school, friends, society at large. She is kind and compassionate. She does not tolerate injustice of any kind and boldly challenges it. She believes in self care and takes time to cultivate her own interests and hobbies. She likes to have fun and indulges in indoor and outdoor activities like sports, dance, etc. She's none other than Miss Himani Jain. Now, let us have a close look at her journey in our school, in Ramratna International School. Ma'am, I request you to kindly play the video, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ditya, just let me know if you can see the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am. Sorry, I cannot see your screen.
I'm presenting, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can see.
You can see?
Yes.
Ma'am, we can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, the video has stopped.
Amit sir, video is paused. Amit sir.
So make it full screen now, please.
Wow. Things end, but memories last forever. Right? It was indeed a wonderful video, Himani. I'm sure you might be nostalgic by now. We would like
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we would like to elaborate a little more on her achievements. Himani, during school, was a very active child. In the year 2012, she won a Creative Touch drawing and painting competition. She received prizes, many prizes during the annual sports days in the games like three-legged race, relay races, sack races, etc. She also secured a second prize in tennis tournament held by SRS Sports. She secured third prize in Doha recitation competition. She was certified with best player in tennis in the academic year 2015-16, and she has completed level red 5 in tennis. She has also bagged second prize in Hindi elocution competition that was held by KES International School. She secured first prize in junior and senior category Synergy. That was held by Thakur International School. Quite a few achievements, Zamani. She secured third prize in Science Utsav Practical Science Quiz in 2016. She had participated.
Work is trying to join.
Sorry. Okay.
Students,
Ma'am,
please
work
don't
around.
interrupt. Keep yourself on mute.
Okay, I'll continue with the achievements of Miss Amani. She was the head girl of the school in the academic year 2016-17, was house captain twice in the year 2017-18 and 2015-16. She was a vice captain as well. She also chaired the committee of ECOSOC in the RRIS MUN in the year 2016-17, and she also secured first prize in Cascade event held by Jamnabai Narsi School in Hindi creative writing competition. She participated in MUN at United Nations headquarters in the year 2017. So Himani, we welcome you once again
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
this Back to Roots session. So how are you feeling today, Himani, and how are you feeling being a part of Back to Roots session today?
I am doing good, ma'am, and I feel privileged to be a part of the Back to Roots session. And I'm delighted to be connected to my school after a long time.
It's very good to hear that, Himani. Okay, we would like to know, Himani, which are the courses that you're pursuing currently and what are your future plans? And what efforts are you taking to fulfill your courses and your work?
Few months back, I completed my ASN A-levels from Witty International School, Malad. And currently I'm preparing for a NEET medical entrance examination. 7 years down the line, I would like to see myself as an ophthalmologist, for which I am toiling hard since 2 years.
Okay.
I set my goals and aims at achieving them on a daily basis so that I do not stress out in my finals.
Okay. All the very best for your future endeavors, Himani.
Thank you.
We would like to know, do you read books regularly or of lately? Have you read any books?
I try to, but I do not get much time off my schedule as I have to complete my daily commutes, my daily assignments, and so on.
So, of lately, you have not read anything? Are
No.
you active on Twitter or are you updated with the current news, current
Yes,
whatever
of
is
course.
happening around the world?
Yeah, though I don't read books, but I do read newspapers occasionally.
Okay. Okay. Very good to hear that, Himani. We would also like to know now, when did you take admission in Ramratna International School? And we would like to hear from you about your journey in school, from bringing laurels to our school and by winning accolades in different fields.
Sorry, Dipti
So,
ma'am. I'm
yes,
sorry
ma'am.
to interrupt. Amit sir,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am is trying since long time and she's not able to get him. So please
Yes,
check.
ma'am. I got disconnected, so I'm trying to.
Ma'am, she's in now.
Yes, please. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay, Himani, so we shall continue now.
Yes, ma'am.
We also
Yeah, I'll
would like
start.
no, I would first like to
Okay, principal, ma'am.
yes, I would Namaste, Principal Ma'am. Greetings to you, ma'am.
Namaste, Deepti.
Yeah, we are on with the session, ma'am.
And Namaste, Himani. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. So happy to see you. Though it's on the virtual platform, but still it gives me the same pleasure meeting you today. We are happy to have you. How do you feel?
I'm feeling good, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. I'm sorry I missed the initial part of the meeting because of an urgent and important call with the management. But I am with you always. I hope you know that. And
Yes,
Deepti,
ma'am.
you started with a bang, and all the best. I'm looking forward to hearing from Himani.
Yes,
All the
ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
and
So
I feel there are two numbers of with the name Sakshi which are not on mute. One you are using. Is there another one?
Yes, ma'am. Sakshi.
Now that is on mute. Okay, fine. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
go ahead. Deepti. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now, Himani, we would like to know when did you take admission in Ramratna International School? And we would also like to hear from you about your journey in school, from bringing laurels to our school by winning accolades and recognition in different fields to your experience. And also, we would also like to know how was the experience of becoming a head girl? So we would like to know about your achievements as well, Himani.
Yes, ma'am. Time flies by fast. My journey at Ramratna International School was no less than a movie. A lot of things happened. It all started back in 2012 when I was told I would not only have to change my school, but I would have to switch boards too. Transitioning from from an Indian board to an international board is scary, and sure enough, I had a hard time adjusting, especially during my first 6 months at RIS. One of the major challenge, one of the most challenging aspects of my transition to this board was learning how to achieve and manage higher academic education. I was in a state of confusion as to how I would be able to cope up with the academic stress and pressures here. Fortunately, my class teacher at the time, Usha ma'am, helped me to guided me in the right direction and helped me to achieve my most significant goals. She always treated me like her own child. Over the years, Ramratna International School has given me a myriad of opportunities, from representing the school in inter-school competitions to giving me a chance to serve the school as a head girl. And I was lucky enough to be among the brilliant team of prefects. We organized various school events, ran school code for pupils, and had many such responsibilities. I believe that we have been an excellent role models for the school community, and I truly appreciate and admire the teachers here for all their exceptional efforts in molding us into better people. RISE is a place where I learned how to let go of and overcome my fears. A school of the children, by the children, for the children. I hope that my connection with the school continues to be as strong for the long time to come. Thank you.
Yes, it surely will be. And we are so elated to hear this, Himani. We would also like to know what are the lessons that you learned after becoming the head girl? I mean, the responsibilities that you took over, and what were the lessons, basic lessons, maybe from your leadership, and maybe by also coping up with your academics, and at the same time, also taking up the other responsibilities. If you can just elaborate a little.
The most valuable thing that I learned in this, the most valuable thing that I learned from this post is the ability and the importance of developing well as a team. Being the head girl of the school has given me an opportunity to develop these skills and has helped me to develop self-confidence. Now I'm comfortable speaking in groups. I enjoy listening to other people's ideas. and working together to develop a solution. This post has given me valuable life lessons that will last way beyond the classroom. I thank our beloved principal ma'am and all the teachers who believed in me that I can take up this post. Thank you so much.
It's very good to hear that, Himani. We would also.
And also, I would like to say that Himani, you did a great job as the head girl.
Thank you, ma'am.
Proud of you.
Absolutely. Yes, we all are proud of you, Himani. We would also like to know from you. You were the head girl of the school. So, what do you think are the bestest strengths of our school, of our Ramratna International School? What are the strengths?
Ramratna International School provides a loving and caring environment which enables students and staff alike to grow holistically and feel accepted. No one here is left over as everyone is offered a genuine helping hand. Secondly, the school respects the different levels of the students' competences, and while at the same time encourages and support each student to exploit his or her own potential. Lastly, the bridge between teacher and students lies no intermediate in Ramratna International School. They are our constant source of support day and night. There is no barrier between us.
It's amazing to hear that, Himani. We would also like to know, what life lessons have your parents taught you? Because we can see a very disciplined, a very decent child in you. So can you please elaborate a little more on that, Himani?
Yes, ma'am. They have always taught me that nothing in life is for free. You have to always work hard to get what you want. And also never expect anything for which you haven't worked for or earned. Because everything else that you get is just a bonus. So you just need to work hard each passing day.
Oh, that's something which is very good to hear. Very nice, Himani. Friends, I would like to tell you all that Himani has completed 6 levels of Bharatnatyam, and she has also achieved the highest level of attainment, and she is ready for Rangyatam. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if I've pronounced it right.
No, you are right.
She has received many certificates for completing her course. Now we would like to know, Himani, if you would like to tell us more about this interest of yours and how does it keeps you motivated, and do you still practice it from your busy schedule, and how much time do you devote for this interest of yours?
I started taking lessons in classical dance at the age of 8. I completed my 6 levels of Bharatnatyam a long time back, but due to my high commitments in academics, I did not get much time to devote to my interest after that. Now, as we all are stuck up in our homes, the best thing that keeps me energized and calm is dancing. That's what I have been doing in this lockdown. Dancing clears my mind and gives me a natural energy boost. I love the fact that whatever has happened with me during my day or week, I can just leave it behind once I put my ghungroos on.
Very good to hear that, Himani. Also, I would like to say that I happened to watch your sister's status, Sakshi's status, few days back, wherein you both were dancing so gracefully and flawlessly. I was so happy to see you both. So, very good, Himani. You're very
Thank you.
So, Himani, we would now like to know, how is outside world different from the school life or from our school? How is it different?
Well, as young students, we spend our entire lives desperate to break free from the prison-like conformity. But little do we realize that life outside the classroom isn't all it is cracked up to be. Yes, growing up thing is a lot less exciting and liberating than it seems. World outside the classroom is all up to us now, and we get faced with the hefty decisions that we alone have to take. Gone are routines, permission slips, career advice sessions, and mentor drop-ins. We thought that we would love this freedom, but the harsh truth is it's a little scary. Secondly, during school times, we had a lot of chance to redoing things if we mucked up. But if we fail to meet targets while in school or while in college or at higher levels, we aren't spared. So smile more and worry less is what keeps me going in this corporate world.
Correct. So welcome to adulthood, Himani. So this is what is life all about. So we would also like you to give few suggestions or a certain message to the youngsters, to the students who are still studying in school, who are currently getting education, who have not yet completed the 10th grade. If you can just say some positive words, it will be very good. Encouraging words.
Message for the young buddies. Just work towards what you really desire, and I assure it will be yours. Be proud of your decisions and dreams, even when they are very different from those of others. Because as we know, each student here is an unique individual. So just work towards what you really desire.
Very well said. Okay, now as you were speaking about a previous question related to you being head girl of the school, we would also like to know, how do you feel your school experience at RRIS, and especially gaining the leadership positions, like you were the vice captain, house captain, then the head girl also. Did it give you an edge over your peers and your colleagues, your friends?
Yes, of course. I am a proud student of my school, RIS. My school has not only imparted me with high quality education, but has also provided me with an enriched learning environment by giving equal importance to various sports activities like football, tennis, volleyball, etc. I also had an opportunity to try my hands at different. Ma'am, just a second. Can I just close my door? It's a little disturbing.
Solve whatever you wish. Please do. Go ahead. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
That's fine.
I also had an opportunity to try my hands at different art forms like music, dance, drama, and art. And RIS has given me a wide platform to showcase my talent and completely overcome my fears. Being the head girl of the school has made me a humble person and has given me an opportunity to connect with my juniors who often looked up to me and seek my guidance and advice. I strongly believe that the prudent training at RIS helps students to become independent at a young age and indeed help to become responsible citizens of the world. So, yeah.
Correct. Yeah, I agree. And you know what I believe is, our school actually not only focuses on the academics, but majorly on the other side apart from academics, all the extracurricular activities, and that is the reason our children are more polished and trained, and they're very good public speakers. One of them is sitting right in front of us today. So we're very happy. So you're our product, we can say very proudly, Himani. So can you please share your few best memories of your school days, and something, you can share your experience of visiting the United Nations headquarters for the Model United Nations conference. If you can just recollect some memories, or you can also recollect the memories of your field trips or the other trips that have been, you might have gone with your friends, teachers, in the years. If you could just share.
A few things like getting punishments from the teachers, especially the swimming teacher and the skating sir.
Okay.
The cultural events where we had 2 to 3 weeks for practices.
Mm-hmm.
And the most exciting among all, the school trips with our teachers and friends.
Mm-hmm.
And with that, I would like to share my experience on my Model United Nations trip.
Mm-hmm.
We actually learned diplomacy in the place which is considered the Mecca for any model event student. It was a pride. This gave me an incredible learning experience for us all. We developed more globally minded perspectives and challenged ourselves.
Hmm.
At the same time, we felt so proud to be an Indian because our nationality unified hundreds of young students among the furthest corners of India in a foreign land.
Absolutely.
Also, I would like to thank our beloved principal ma'am and Dipti ma'am for being our constant guiders, because I know it, without these two, we won't have a wonderful experience. They walked hundreds of miles in search of an Indian restaurant just for us. I remember how we were craving for Indian food. As you all know, we rarely get it there. That night still brings me nostalgia, as we had a big treat with our entire group. I just can't wait to go back to USA with the same teachers and the same group. I really miss you all.
That's so sweet, Himani. That's very sweet of you. Recollecting
May I
those
say something?
memories. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Please do. Please.
So Himani was my roommate. Himani, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
And it was a wonderful time with you. I found you to be a very sweet and caring girl who was always concerned about others and had very beautiful family values. So it was a great time knowing you. And I feel so proud thinking of that time at such a young age. The values that you show in your character and personality, it makes me very happy. Also, the kind of preparation you were doing for MAN, that was setting you apart from the rest of the group. You were very sincere, and even your performance at IIMN at the UN headquarters was highly commendable. So keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep up
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
Yes.
There's something for
Completely agree. No, I completely agree. I completely agree by what ma'am has said. You were very responsible, Himani. And maybe that was also one of the reasons why we went in search for food, because we knew we have all the responsible students who can take care of themselves very well. So it was like, that is the reason. Yes.
Ma'am, I have written something for you and principal ma'am.
Okay.
I came to your class to learn and to grow, but what has touched me most is the love you have shown. You did everything to make your students shine, despite the nasty challenges no one has ever seen you whine. Every day you greet your students with a smile on your face, though paperwork the day before seemed like a grueling race. It was, this is especially for Dipti ma'am now, it was you, only you, who saw in us, who saw a spark in us to reach heights in MUN. No matter how much you had to fight, you made us attain a deserving place at the MUN. Thank you so much to both of you.
Beautiful, Himani. Thank you so much.
But Dipti deserves all the appreciation and all the adoration. God bless you, Dipti.
Thank you so much, ma'am. But I would like to tell you, Himani, and all of you here, that nothing would have been possible if man would have not accepted or would have not given or would not lend ears to whatever we were trying to say. So all the major credit goes to principal ma'am. And of course, whatever ma'am says, we have to follow. And then, of course, we have to follow us. So you can say that. So thank you, ma'am, for everything. So because of you today, I am able to hear such beautiful words. So
you deserve it.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
well deserved.
Thank you, ma'am. So Himani, now we would also like to know your view on good student-teacher relationship. What are your views?
I believe that the relationship between teacher and student have a lasting impact on the development of a child. I would love to share my personal experience on the same. I was in my class 10th and I had a deep hatred towards biology. So I did not even study. Consequently, I ended up getting a B in my preliminary exams. I lost all the hopes in securing an A star in my finals until Smita ma'am encouraged me and guided me on the right path. She was the one who believed in me and gave me daily goals to complete. I just can't thank her enough for all her efforts for me, because without her, I would not got an A star in my mark sheet. On the same line, I cannot even forget those days where Asha ma'am and Meena ma'am always used to challenge me with difficult tasks as to improve my skills of writing. At the end, my heart goes to all the efforts taken by rest of the school members, starting with principal ma'am, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and service staff, because each one has played a role in molding my personality. It goes without saying that RRI school is a true epitome of happy school, and I am so fortunate enough to be a part of the same.
Wow, so elated to hear this, Himani. Very happy to hear this. And I request VP ma'am, Smita ma'am, to please, if you could speak a few words, it will be very kind of you, ma'am. If you can hear
Yes,
it.
Himani, thank you so much. But I remember you and your mother coming in my cabin and discussing about the option of leaving biology. But I tell
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
not only our motivation, because we teachers, it's our duty to motivate each and every child. It's upon you to take up that. And you took up that challenge. When I spoke to you, you took up that challenge that, okay, ma'am, I'll do it and I'll show it to you. So that is where it lies. I am very sure that every teacher has motivated each and every child of the school. It all depends upon the student, his or her grit and his or her wish to do the best. And that is what has taken you to where you are today. And you deserved every bit of it. Congratulations and wish you all the best, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations to all the teachers. What you said is so right. And when you
Correct.
said, do you remember Himani and her parents coming to you to discuss opting out of biology, it reminds me that they also come to me with the option of leaving the school. They had wanted to shift to Churchgate. Himani, do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Himani was not interested in leaving, and somehow the parents had some reason to shift there. But I was somehow feeling broken that two of these wonderful girls would be moving out of the school. Somehow, with God's will, they continued with us and they made the whole school proud. So I'm
Thank
so
you,
happy
ma'am.
with that decision, and your parents heard and gave value to your feelings. So they are really great parents. Give my regards to them.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay. So, going ahead, Himani, can you please tell us who is your role model? Who is your role model? If you consider somebody as your role model, who is he or she?
Okay. Some people give time, some people give money, but rarely do people give their whole lives for charity work. This is what Mother Teresa did. She is truly an epitome for the people who want to help their fellow men in the society. So I just always look up to her.
Very well said, Himani. And we are so happy to be hearing such positive things coming up from you, from our student, from our own alumnus, can say. Okay. So, what is that one thing that you miss most about the school? You could say.
School is indeed the best part of our lives, and all the memories from school life are the sweetest. And here are a few of mine. The quality time that we spent with our teachers, may it be during our annual event practices or during our class assemblies or during lunch period, breakfast period, where they counseled us various career guidance. And many a times we even had fun, because teachers here at RIS, they were showed us up. They were always with us whenever we needed them. I wish I got a chance to relive these moments with them.
You can anytime come back to school, Himani. You're most welcome. You are part of our school. So you're always welcome. Ma'am, if you could like to say something like, as she says, she would like to come back to school. So, I mean,
So I wish none of our children ever leave the school. So
correct.
this, yes, we have made your wings strong. We have given you deeper roots, and we would like you to take a flight and grow in this world, which is not possible within that small campus of the school. You have to make a life for yourself, and more than that, you have to give to the society. So you have to be out in the society to give out what we have given it to you, give it back to the society. So it feels really good to know that you would like to be back, and the school is all yours, just like Deepti ma'am said. Walk in whenever you can. It's
Yes,
more your.
ma'am.
Looking forward to having you back and meeting you soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay. So, Himani, lastly, I would like to know how can alumni contribute to the school? And what can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
Alumni can play an active role in voluntary programs like mentoring students in their areas of expertise. Alumni is a huge talent pool whose guidance can be beneficial to many young buddies. Also, we are always there for the school because it is our own school. And we would love to serve the school in all possible ways, from promoting school events to lending a helping hand to our teachers during annual events. Lastly, I would also request the school to invite the alumni for all the school events because we are glad to be connected to our school.
So that too we already do, no, Himani? You remember? I don't know whether you were the part of dense forest project that we had, but we had many of our alumni coming to the school, and they were the part of. They actively participated, and it was so beautiful. Right, Smita ma'am? If you can just please add on, if you remember the dense forest project that we had. So I'm sure your friends might have told you about the same,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
about the planning the dense
I
forest.
was not able to attend the dense forest
Hmm.
thing because I had my classes
Hmm.
going on. But
Correct.
my few of my friends do told me about their experience, and I really miss that I was not a part of the same. I hope in connecting to the school in future events.
Okay. Yeah, sure. So we'll speak directly to principal, ma'am. So, ma'am, we shall now allow the students to come back for the annual events, the annual sports events, only with your permission. If you could like to say something, ma'am, please.
So, Himani, as Deepti ma'am told you, we invite alumni as volunteers, like we did for Dense Forest Project. We also had Meraki, which was an event
Hmm.
that 14 different schools participated, and we had 16 different competitions held in the school. So, we invited again our alumni as volunteers. Then we have appointed several alumni last year as mentors for student council and the cultural committee and various other positions held by our students. Now, apart from this, what happens is for the annual day and sports day events, capacity becomes an issue. It might look like these are just three batches, four batches, or five batches of alumni, but as the years pass by, the strength is going to increase. The school has to start with those initiatives which we can continue. It always has to be a sustainable initiative. This is what I believe in. And with God's grace, whatever I have initiated in the school are those practices which are sustainable even after 10 years, 8 to 9 years. So I'm saying 10 because we have entered 10th year.
Hmm.
Congratulations, everybody. So,
Congratulations.
Himani, what happens is now we have our auditorium for events like annual day. So the capacity of the hall becomes an issue. And honestly speaking, it happens sometimes that if the alumni they all gather and I'm not blaming them because it's very natural to feel that happiness again to be back with friends, and that may somewhere interfere with the kind of serenity or the sanctity of that event or the place. So it's better to have a separate event for alumni. You all can plan. We have got an association now. You all can drive it. You decide who would hold different positions and come up with the plans. Propose to me. I'm always welcoming for these ideas. These ideas are more than welcome. So come up with plans for having events of alumni. We can have an annual day of alumni. Nobody
Yes,
will
ma'am, sure.
be coming. Sports day of alumni, right? So
Yes,
now the
ma'am.
ball is in your court, Himani.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
But I would also like to add here, ma'am, any which ways our programs have started going live now with the digital platforms that we have, and through Facebook, through YouTube's. You can anytime sitting at home also you can watch the programs. You can be a part of our school again. Once again, you can feel the enthusiasm and the happiness of being a part of Ramratna International School through digital platform. Like this is what we are promoting these days, right? Yes or no, Himani?
Yes, ma'am. I always attend each sports day and annual day. I have my siblings in the school. So I do
That's
not
good.
miss any event of
Yes,
annual day school day.
I remember meeting you in the last annual day as well. Yeah, I would say you were looking very pretty. You've come with your auntie, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
ma'am.
I do remember.
I
Okay, so
also
you can.
in
Yeah.
the exhibition, art and creativity exhibition, Himani was accompanying her aunt.
Mhm.
Remember, Himani? It
Yes,
meant
yes, 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 ma'am.
something. So it was so good to see you. Also, I'm so happy to share with everyone that last year in the Khushi Bazaar Khushi Utsav event, which we did in Uttan at the temple, Himani participated so enthusiastically, and she did tattooing, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am, right.
I see.
Ah, so,
Yes.
Himani, I'm so proud of you. When I see
Thank you.
the compassion, it definitely comes from home, but I would like to believe that the school also has strengthened these values in you.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
I
God bless.
completely agree with the ma'am. Also, I would like to add one more thing. So, ma'am, if you have seen what in our past conversation in last 5 minutes, we could see Himani was everywhere. So now she is talking for her colleagues and friends because once upon a time she was the head girl. So I think she's speaking for her friends so that they should be allowed to come. Correct me if I'm wrong, Himani, because you
Right.
know very well. So, as we said, you are very much welcome. As ma'am rightly said, that because of certain constraint, it will be very difficult for us to accommodate all of you all. But always you will be in our heart, and that is for sure. And also through digital platforms, you can definitely connect with us anytime and every time. So, with this, we come to the end of the formal question and answer round today. Himani, I would like to tell you it was a very nice experience speaking to you, knowing about you. And I would also like to tell you, Himani, this particular Back to Roots session will be the most memorable session throughout your life. Why?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
this initiative by our school has given the students an importance that they are being valued. So I'm sure right now you also must be feeling very happy and very valued. Of course, you are the valued member of our, family, RRI's family. But this specific back to roots sessions, no, not only you, your other friends, your colleagues, all will remember throughout their lives. So please be part of these sessions. Be actively involved in these sessions. So with this, we come to the formal, end. I would like our beloved principal ma'am, honorable principal ma'am, to please kindly say few encouraging words to the other students who have already joined us, and to Himani, please, ma'am, if you can just say some words.
Sure, Deepti. And
Thank you, ma'am.
it's a privilege. And especially when Deepti asks in such a sweet manner, who can say no? So, all my children, all my loving friends, it's really an honor to have our alumni coming back to us, talking to us, giving us the joy of seeing that we had sown the seeds, we had sown the right seeds, and they have germinated in such beautiful way. Himani, I see a very strong girl in you who is still rooted to her principles in life, rooted to her values in life, and that will take you to great heights. Wherever you are, just believe in yourself. Do not measure your success with the success of others. Always know that it is your happiness at the end of the day. It's the feeling of satisfaction at the end of the day which matters. And somehow I'm extremely sure that you will be a happy person forever, and you would be bringing happiness around you. You'll be sprinkling it everywhere, wherever you go. And may God bless you with positivity and grit and courage. And I wish uh, no difficult times come on your way, but at the same time, I also wish all the strength for you to face them boldly and get over them if at all they come your way. God bless you, and God bless
Thank
all.
you, ma'am.
My wishes are the same for all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now, I would like to ask teachers who are with us. Unfortunately, I'm not able to view my chat box. I mean, I don't know who all are with us today. So, if you all can please, if Asha ma'am is with us, if Dhanashri ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Asha ma'am is there. Asha ma'am
Asha
is
ma'am,
there.
please, if you would
I
like
think
to
Usha
say
ma'am is going to
something.
stop.
Okay.
I
Usha ma'am,
I
please,
would like
please,
to
please.
speak.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Himani. I would. I started my journey.
Usha ma'am, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
you have
Yes, ma'am.
backside. If you could turn your
Oh,
face a
okay,
bit,
okay, okay,
I'd
okay.
like to see you.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
want to see your beautiful
Okay,
face,
I
ma'am.
am. Am I visible now?
Of course, the frame.
Okay, okay. So I am lucky to start my journey at RRIS with a wonderful class, with wonderful kids. Like there were many kids in the class, like Himani, Freya, Janil, Yogesh, and many of them. I'm sorry if I missed anyone, but they made my they were really wonderful. And Himani was always responsible, a very sincere girl. If anything, any job, any task given to her used to be done in such a good manner. So I mean, she was always responsible, very hardworking. So I'm very happy, to see you. And it was very nice to see you talking, in a very responsible, mature manner. So all the best for your future. Don't take too much of stress. I know that you work very hard, but I always used to tell you that you take a lot of stress. That I want to do this. I want to do the best. So don't take too much of stress. You will always be successful in whatever you're doing. Be happy. God bless you. I would
Thank
just
you,
like to
ma'am.
say, I mean, God bless you, and I'm really very proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, that's so kind of you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I would request Dhanashri ma'am, Asha ma'am, and if we have other teachers with us, please, if you would like to speak for Himani.
Yes, Dipti ma'am, this is Dhanashri. I would like to talk. Smita ma'am, can I speak? I guess if you want to speak, I'll wait.
Oh no, it's okay, Dhanashri. Please continue. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Hello, Himani.
Hi, ma'am.
Uh, what to say? I'm really not getting. I hope you're getting me what I want to say to you because we are
Yes,
connected
ma'am.
with our hearts. And one more thing I would like to tell about Himani. Himani cannot say no to anything, and this is her quality. Because whenever I used to her for any kind of responsibility, money we have to do this. She was always ready, always ready for everything. She never said, "No, ma'am, I have to do this work, I have to do that work." Never. Okay, ma'am, I will do it. So that's a really great quality. You are a hardworking girl, and at the same time, you're very firm. You know what you want in your life, and you really work very hard for that. It might be your studies, it might be your relationships, or whatever in your life. You're very firm towards it, and that's really a great quality. All the best fit to you, Himani. Love you.
Thank you, ma'am. Love you too.
That's so sweet of you, Dhanashri ma'am. I think Prajakta ma'am would like to speak. Prajakta ma'am, please.
Yes, Dipti ma'am.
Okay.
Namaste. Namaste, Principal ma'am. Namaste, Himani.
Namaste, ma'am.
Himani, listening to your talk today, I now I feel that you are grown up, because I can share an incident that happened during the lockdown. My phone was damaged, and Mother's Day was there, and Himani was trying. I don't know, but I feel she was trying her best to find out my number to wish me. But then somehow she got my husband's number and she called me, and she's telling me with complete what to say, जैसे हक है मेरे पे. She was asking me, where are you? Your phone is not there, and I'm not able to connect with you in any ways. So where have you been? So I told her all the incident, that my phone has been damaged and all that. So she's telling, I've been searching for your number. Then I called Dhanashri ma'am. Then I asked for your number to just wish you happy Mother's Day. And that moment was a really heart touching one. I cannot imagine. Himani has given me that place in her heart, and I really miss these 4 months. I've not seen her, but yes, she does call me every time whenever she misses me. And though I am busy, I cannot answer her. She patiently waits for my call back. So I really feel that connection with her, and she's really amazing child, really an amazing child. And Himani, I'm always there, though I'm not physically present with you, but I'm always there for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah. That's all I can speak. I cannot speak anything else because I'm having tears in my eyes. But you can understand what I'm trying to express. Thank you, Himani.
Having tears in your eyes. Pure love, the pure love that has to be there between teachers and students. And what's more interesting is that you never formally taught her. So
No, I have never taught her, ma'am. It was just because of one incident. She got close to me. She was crying one day, very, very bitterly, and I just went forward and I asked her, "What's wrong with you? Why are you crying?" And then I consoled her. And then after that, she was I don't know. She got close to me, and then now we are yet in connection.
this is the beauty of pure love and emotions. God bless you both, and you both are such emotional people. You have brought tears to our eyes also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
This is such a beautiful and kind gesture of Himani. But I would also like to say, because of all the values that school has inculcated in our children, I mean, the way we mold, I mean, the school, I mean, of course, we are the part of school, and we have this authority given by our seniors to mold the children, to teach them the values, and to teach them to be empathetic and sympathetic towards each other. This is, I think, we can see today with our own Himani. Yes, Himani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
नमस्ते दीप्ति मैम, नमस्ते हिमानी।
नमस्ते मैम।
कैसी हो हिमानी?
बढ़िया मैम, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। हिमानी के बारे में मैं यही बताना चाहूँगी कि इसमें मतलब हमेशा कुछ नया सीखने की और हमेशा अपने गलती को जानने की बहुत इच्छा होती थी। मतलब मुझे आज भी याद है कि हम हिंदी में कुछ भी राइटिंग स्किल और कुछ भी हम देते थे तो हिमानी रात को 11, साढ़े 11, 12 बजे तक वो व्हाट्सएप करती थी, मैम मैंने लिखा है और प्लीज़ अगर इसमें कोई सुधार हो तो आप प्लीज़ बताइए, मैं और क्या इसमें कुछ अच्छा कर सकती हूँ। मतलब उसमें हमेशा कुछ नया सीखने की इच्छा रहती थी। मुझे याद है कैस्केड का, जब हमारा हिंदी का कंपटीशन था कैस्केड का, तो जो विषय था बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट, बहुत ही परेशानी वाला विषय था कि मतलब उसमें कैसे हम करें, क्या शुरुआत करें, क्योंकि उसके नियम काफ़ी कुछ अलग थे। तो मुझे याद है कि मैंने पहले मैम से बात की, मैम ने हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया, फिर उसके बाद मैंने हिमानी को गाइड किया कि हिमानी देखो ये जो विषय है इस पर इस तरह से लिखना है। तो उसने 2 दिन के अंदर वो विषय मतलब विषय क्या था हिमानी हमारा?
नाथुराम गोडसे। अगर हमें मुझे मौका मिला नाथुराम गोडसे बनने का, ऐसा कुछ तो था।
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ विषय था।
नाथुराम गोडसे की जुबानी।
हाँ मैम, नाथुराम गोडसे की जुबानी। तो
हाँ,
थैंक यू मैम। तो वो विषय हिमानी ने 2 दिन में लिखा और मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से। और मैम इसमें और क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं? तो काफी अच्छे से हिमानी बहुत मेहनती और परिश्रमी लड़की है। और मैं यही कहूंगी कि हिमानी भविष्य में तुम हमेशा ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ती रहो और सफलता तुम्हारे कदम चूमे। और ऑल द बेस्ट। खुश रहो हमेशा, हमेशा मुस्कुराती रहो।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Aisha ma'am. Smita ma'am, if you can hear us, if you'd like to speak, please.
Yes, I would like to say something for Himani. So basically, Himani, see, Abhi received Teachers' Day messages from all the students. Most of the students, they still send us the messages, but Himani is the only girl who sends us the message even on Mother's Day. So, which really keeps us very much emotionally connected to her, That's the best part of her. She makes us realize time and again that she's still emotionally connected to us. And the best part, apart, she had all the qualities, best qualities. Like, she was very responsible, she is very hardworking. But the best part, what I remember about her, is the way she carried herself in school with so much of elegance and dignity. Always her head held high. The way she always projected her values, I mean, no doubt the school, parents, everybody have played a very important role in her grooming. She has always acted very maturely in a very dignified manner, no matter what the situation is. And I always loved that quality of hers. Himani, we are very, very proud of you. And you always walk in life with the same dignity, always your head held high, and making your parents and your teachers proud. Wish you all the best and love you very much, dear.
Thank you ma'am, love you more.
Rightly said, ma'am. Very well said, ma'am. We have Champa ma'am, if I'm not wrong. Champa ma'am, would you like to speak?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
there.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Namaste, everyone. I would like just to add one point. I remember it was the first batch for me when I joined RRIS. I have the connection with other students, but with Himani, there is completely a different connections where she has shared many things. And still, I remember that it was as my first experience for an IG school. So somewhere even I was finding it difficult, but the way she used to sit with me, somewhere as a friend, she used to even be with me and guide that, ma'am, this was the answer we would have written. We could have also write in this manner. And whenever I used to ask any question, like whole class used to look at Himani. Himani, now you are only going to answer. So the way she actually supported me, even she stood with her classmates, and the way they accepted me, it was wonderful. Still, I meet her like for clearing any doubt or as a friendly nature. Even she communicate with me on call through WhatsApp. It's like we are having a bond of a daughter and a mother, a friend, a teacher and a child. But the bond is beyond anything. It's no expectation, a true love. So thank you so much, Himani. The way you accepted and introduced me into the class and with your classmate. Thank you so much. And the way you have grown, you're developing yourself, even you are achieving lot many things. God bless you. Keep achieving. Lots of love.
Thank you ma'am.
So sweet of you, Champa ma'am. Thank you so much. Do we have any friends of Himani who are with us who would like to speak, or somebody else who would like to speak about Himani?
And they can share their USA experience. We have our friends here who were with us during our.
Do we have? They would like to speak about US trip that we had.
Yeah, if they can speak some few
Yes,
points.
but you want to refresh those memories of yours. Okay. So let us see who would like to speak about. I can't see except Sakshi. Sakshi, would you like to speak something?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Pata. How are you, Sakshi?
Good.
Okay.
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thank you, Beta. Tell me.
So, firstly, I would like to thank you for actually helping me in my business studies.
Oh.
Without you, I don't think I would be able to, score A in my business studies. I still remember that you were forcing me to not drop economics, but unfortunately, I dropped because I wasn't confident enough to give the paper for economics.
So, okay, thank you so much, Sakshi, and all the very best for your future endeavors. And I want you
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
please take economics as a subject. It is a very important subject. If you have taken up commerce, please take economics, also accounts. So,
In HSC, it is compulsory.
good. I'm so happy to hear
Drop
that.
economics.
You'll have to do all the more hard work now, Beta. I'm very happy to hear that. Okay. So please share your memory.
So actually after the session, I felt more confident as we had an opportunity to interact with various people across the globe. And also we were fortunate enough to celebrate our Independence Day in the UN headquarters. And we were also fortunate enough to see a rocket launch live. And not everyone is glorified enough to see a rocket launch live.
Yes.
And I will also thank you and Principal Ma'am for always being there with us. I remember Principal Ma'am scolding us for using phone unnecessarily. So that, actually we felt that we actually didn't feel that we were far away from our parents because you and Principal Ma'am didn't let us feel that we were apart from our parents. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sakshi.
You, Sakshi. You're a little sweet girl. It is listening to you. God bless you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Sakshi, whatever you spoke just now, it is making me feel that you have actually grown up. So I'm very you spoke in a very mature tone, and I'm very happy. I'm sure other teachers and principal ma'am also would agree to whatever I'm saying, because Sakshi is known to be very bubbly, very childish, very notorious kind of child. But today you spoke with a lot of courage and maturity. Very good to hear that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. God bless you, Beta. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
anybody else would like to speak today?
Hello, Dipti ma'am. Hello, Himani.
Hello,
I'm
Beta.
Vishesh ma'am.
How are you,
Hi.
Vishesh?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good, Beta. Congratulations on your first RBK NUN, like virtual conference. It was a
Yes.
success.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
good.
So, I would like to mention about Himani, and she's one of the most sincere person I've met in my life, and she did not even care about anyone else, but other than her studies, which made her so much self-driven, and she's so confident and all. But I would also like to mention one thing, that maybe Himani did not have so much uh, stuff to talk about someone else, but she always managed to do stuff on her own, and I think she should be proud of herself to pull this off, to like clear ASA levels, which it is also a biggest headache, I can say that, and doing it with such a competitive exams such as NEET and all, which is I think also quite difficult, and I cannot even imagine that. So which is quite difficult. I know ASA levels is quite difficult, and clearing that with A. And I still remember me asking Himani about her AS results, and she got an A and B. I was like so surprised when I got an E grade. She got an A and B while studying for NEET. So I can imagine Himani now in the future where she'll stand. So all the best to Himani and all the students here. It was
Thank you,
lovely
Vishesh.
listening to you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishesh. And do we have someone else who would like to speak? No one. So as of now, we don't have anybody who would like to speak now, Himani. So
I would just like to end saying
Please.
something.
please, ma'am.
It's so good to see that the friends also realize the value of each other. And in today's time, when I have seen the students do not openly appreciate, or maybe this is my observation, right or not, I don't know, but there seems to be a trend where the people don't appreciate their peers very openly. So Vishesh, I feel so happy hearing your thoughts. You were so honest and open about your appreciation, and we all agree with what you said. Himani is going to stand very tall in life, and so will you, and so will all the other children. So thank you for making your other peers also feel that they should also open up. I hope we have more alumni joining in the future talks and will also be expressing their views about each other and the school. It is again becoming such a beautiful community because of the Back to the Roots program. Thank you, Himani, for making it a great success today. It was an amazing show. And I would like to appreciate Deepti for hosting it as a seasoned hostess, as if she has been doing it for years. So, Deepti, hats off to you. It was amazing, outstanding.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Like a true professional.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir. Thank you so much. So I have learned whatever I've learned from Ram Ratna International School, and I am also very proud to be part of Ram Ratna International School. And even Himani, you know what? We also get professional trainings from our seniors, so that is the reason we give such outcomes. This is what I can say. So thank you so much, ma'am. And with this, we
See, it shows that one of the values our children and the staff and all of us are learning here in the school is humility and gratitude that you have expressed, that Himani has expressed, and everybody else who spoke. And I think that as the principal of the school, it matters the most to me and it makes me feel so satisfied. If we all as a family can learn to be humble and grateful for everything and have love for each other, I think nothing else is needed. Rest all will follow.
absolutely.
Bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, dear all. Thank you, children. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for this wonderful session. So, fortunately or unfortunately, this Back to Roots session comes to an end. So, we'll meet soon again with a new session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.